Alright, I ran a stupid little experiment. I made 3 thumbnails for the same video. One with AI, one with a Canva template, and one by a pro designer. And man, the one I thought would win didn't even land in second place. Like, actually embarrassing. One of these thumbnails tanked my CTR so hard I legit thought YouTube shadow banned me. And look, I've tested hundreds of thumbnails at this point. One tiny design tweak can literally double your clicks. And if your channel makes you money, yeah, that basically doubles your business too. So this test actually matters. So today we are doing AI versus Canva versus a real pro designer. Same video, same face, same title, and the results were not what I expected. Okay, first up is AI. This thing took me 15 seconds. I pasted the YouTube video link, uploaded my face, chose the right template, and boom, instant thumbnail that you can edit with AI later. And like, it's cool for previewing ideas. But if you zoom in, it looks like my face was rendered by a PlayStation 2. The colors are weird, the text placement is chaotic, and the whole vibe feels like a Facebook ad your uncle would click. AI thumbnails are basically I'm not him, but I'm trying my best. It's good for concepts, but not amazing for actual performance. Next up is Canva, the starter pack of every YouTuber ever. Pick a template, throw your face in, add bold text, done. And honestly, it's clean, it's nice, it's also the exact same thumbnail as every other person using Canva. And that's the issue. On YouTube, blending in is death. It's like showing up to prom wearing the same outfit as 3 other people. Nobody notices you. And then we've got the pro designer I hired on Fiverr. And the difference is crazy. This freelancer actually understands composition, contrast, eye direction, color psychology, all the nerdy stuff we pretend to know. He cleaned up my face, made the text readable at like 2% zoom, balanced the framing, and turned the whole thing into something that feels clickable. And real talk, I'm not using Fiverr just because they paid me or whatever. I wouldn't put my face next to something I don't believe in. There are actually good freelancers on there. You just need to know what you're looking for. Because when you find the right person, the quality is legit. You can literally see the storytelling, where your eyes go first, what emotion it hits, what the thumbnail is saying. It's like AI tries, Canva pretends, but a real designer, he's cooking. And he's actually designing with intention. Okay, moment of truth. Here are 3 thumbnails side by side. Same video, same title, and the same audience. So, dead last is Canva. RIP Canva warriors, you deserve it better. The second place is AI, which honestly shocked me. AI is getting good too fast. And the winner, by a lot, was the Fiverr Designer. The CTR gap wasn't small, it was disrespectful. So here is the lesson. Thumbnails aren't about looking pretty, they're about controlling attention. And on YouTube, attention is literally currency. No clicks, no views, and no business. AI is great for fast ideas. Canva works if you're just starting out. But if you actually want the highest chance of getting clicked, a real designer still clears the room. So if you want to grab your own designer, I dropped the Fiverr link with the 10% off promo code in the description. Click the first link and I'll see you on the next one.